What's going on, YouTube? Back at it with part 2, I guess, with the transmission. Actually, we got pretty much ahead on everything that we're doing for the car today. As you can see behind me, there goes the transmission. More things are actually broke. It's not just the clutch and throwout bearing, which I suspected because it sounded really horrible, like a really thudding noise all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that now. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, and yeah, so you can see what's in store and help me make some more videos. All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys what's going on in here. All right, so pretty much this is the throwout bearing here, and as you can see, that's not what it's supposed to look like at all, like point blank period. And here goes your clutch fork, you want to say, or call it. And this is really dirty black from clutch wear, and this is our real initial issue. Our issue right now is the front transmission cover, which apparently has cracked off. And the collar goes on here like this, so you would have your normal setup, pretty much collar in here, I guess your throwout bearing and everything, and they'll be moving. But that broke and destroyed that probably at whatever point and whenever it detonated. So now I have to buy a front cover so I can get that, take off this somehow get this piece off this collar, and then we'll put on our clutch and all that other stuff. But as of for right now, yeah, can't put on the clutch just yet, but we're gonna go ahead and finish up putting the actual clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, and all that Baja Blast. So go ahead, and you guys are gonna see that coming still. All right, I'm gonna get under this anyways. Still gonna go. Well, I got it. Just explain how hold. Change this up.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Alright, just taking the, whatever you call this off, the pressure plate. You don't really have to go into a start pattern, but I did. And I used the impact gun because the wrench was not working. So much likely you'll need an impact gun to get these bolts off. And just take them off, and make sure as soon as you take this last bolt off, watch out because it's going to come off. And watch out for your face if you're doing this on jack stands.
Like this.
I
said like this. How many bolts are there? Wow. Alright, so after much debate, taking it off, both the pressure plate and the clutch came right off. The clutch isn't really bad. The main issue was the throwout bearing, and now apparently that transmission cover. So we have to go buy a torque bit. I think it's a 55. We're gonna go to Walmart, and I'm pretty hungry. We've been working on this for about 5 hours, so we're gonna go get some food. And catch you guys in a minute.
That's 13 PSI right there.
13 PSI. And that's how the grade's looking right now. More the part you are. Let's go get some food, guys. We still got some more stuff to buy. I think I'll be able to get everything off of Z1 in a minute. We'll put on the clutch because we need to get a special tool for it. Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Back at it again with another video again. Today I think will be the day that we're actually going to be able to drive the 350. We got set back a little bit because we knew it was probably more than the clutch, or probably wasn't the clutch at all when we took it off. Clutch still had some life, flywheel still had life. Ended up finding out that the transmission cover plate had snapped where the throwout bearing is supposed to be held, so we had to go ahead and order that. Of course, we're gonna have to buy some more oil, and that should be coming in a couple minutes. But before we do that, we need to go ahead and clean all the clutch that is around the inner side of the transmission with brake cleaner, and drain out all the transmission oil left that is in the tranny, and pretty much have it clean and ready for when the part does get here, so we can put that on. I got the throwout bearing pressed on at a shop, so that's done. Now all we have left is to put on that new plate and put the thing together and put it back up. Hope it doesn't go too hard. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead, hit a big thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this, and let's get started. Now the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is take this cover off. I've had it covered just in case it rained or anything, and we're gonna go ahead and start, you know, cleaning it out. Turn the transmission towards you guys and show you what I'm doing. I'll be using brake cleaner and a shop towel, and later we'll drain the remaining fluid. So let's get started. Can't even see, you guys can see me. Alright, so pretty much clean the inside of it with brake cleaner as much as possible. It's a lot cleaner in there now, as you guys can see. So the next step will be taking off those bolts, but first we have to drain the oil out. Let me get you guys to focus. So yeah, get those bolts out. That'll be next.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end, come and